welcome back. So right now we're in Antalya. As you can see on the back, beautiful clear blue crystal water. Right now we're at the Düden Waterfall Park, and I think this is the upper or the lower waterfall, I'm not sure to be honest. So we're walking now towards the waterfall, and yeah, let me show you guys how this park looks around, and let me give you guys a little tour. So on the back you can see the beautiful crystal blue water, and if I turn the camera, so if you give me 1 minute to 3, then you will see the beautiful park. So we've just parked our car at a parking space, it's free. This is the park. So you've got some people who are, I think, doing some barbecue, playing around. You've got a park as well, something jump area where you can jump, or your kids can jump. I'm not sure what's written down there, but we got a little gym around here as well. So let me see. Yeah, oh, you've got a little cafe over there as well. Let me walk towards it. And yeah, this is a small play area for the children. You can see some children who are playing. I'm not sure if this is open, but it looks closed. Oh, it isn't? Nah, I think it's open, but not a lot of children who are jumping at the moment. This is a little cafe, and yeah, now let's walk towards the waterfalls. Okay, so this is a small area where you can sit, hang out and chill. Just now quite some people were there. Over there you see a boat, and look at the waterman. Oof. You see some nice boats as well, and I think they're looking at the waterfall, and the waterfall should be nearby because I can feel a little bit water into my face. So I think over there you can see a glimpse. So let's move on and let's walk forward. Okay, I'm walking now towards the beautiful waterfalls, the Düden Waterfalls it's called. And oh my god, I think I can see something. Well, I'm not seeing it properly right. Let me walk towards the Duden Waterfall. You can get some ice cream as well. I'm not sure if you can raft as well. Hey, you've got the rafting stuff as well. So you can see all the waterfall that comes, and after that it will go to towards the waterfall, I think. Just have a look, man. Have a look. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. On the back you will see some mountains. Got a lot of things for the kids as well. This uncle is fishing. I'm not sure if he has found something, but he was fishing. Okay, all the water comes down here, of course, and it will go, I think, 2 ways downhill. So let's walk towards the waterfall and see if we can spot something. All the massive water, man. Okay, over here you'll see the waterfall. Of course, it's not a great look, but let's have a look, man. Looks nice. Oh my god. You just see this, yeah? You just want to swim inside this. Just let me see if I can zoom in. I'm not sure if it will go correctly. Let's have a look. Just see that water flowing down. Now we're still at the Düden Waterfalls. Now let's us walk towards the Düden Waterfalls and let's see what's happening around it. Yeah, I was just looking outside to see if my family is doing fine and well. So let's move. Showed you the waterfalls, but we didn't have like a really nice view of the waterfalls. Let's see if we can find a better view of the waterfalls. So let me walk towards where a lot of people are standing and let's have a look if we can see around there. I think over here, from here we'll have a nice view. Let's look at that. Just hear the sound. That's beautiful, man. Up into the ocean. There you'll see some boats as well. Another YouTuber. Okay, I think this is the best view as far as we can get the view. Before the better than this, I can't give you the view at the moment. Beautiful, man. Okay, people, that was it for this vlog. You've seen the Duden Waterfalls. And now I'm gonna close this vlog and on to the next one. See you. Ciao. Peace out.